What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you guys my new spray gun made by K3 spray gun. You can buy this from eBay, Amazon. I got this on clearance for $9, and I'm showing you guys this. This is made in China. A smaller spray gun, aluminum cup, and there's a plastic inside cover. Okay, the cup a little bit dirty, but I can clean this using the thinner, the paint thinner. And this is the spray gun itself, still in the plastic bag. The coupler bearings is already been attached. As you see, this is what you guys will see once you use this spray gun. And there's a embossed letter K3. And it comes with the user manual. The user manual, it's really hard to understand because it's written in Chinese or Mandarin or Cantonese character. But the gun itself, easy to use. All you need to do to attach it on the top. Attach it here. So let me attach this first. Once I attach, I am gonna show you guys. Snugly tie it, and if you snugly tie this is what it looks like once you already put the gun to the side. Okay, and this is the fluid adjustment. This is the air. This one is a pre-air that you can I have the air filter that I can use, and then I have the adapter that I can adjust the setting to this, so I'm easily adjust it. I'm going to paint my bumper. I'm gonna use this one. I'll try it out, even though that I have the R500, which is an LBLP. I have 20 gallons of air compressor, and I got a new one which is a 10-gallon made by Nexin. I got it from Amazon. You can buy it from Amazon. I'm showing you guys for my next video, but this one I'm showing you guys this one first, my new spray gun. If you guys are painting your bumper, if you guys have scratch or gouge through your bumper, you can use this, or either to your side door, you are able to use this. This is an effective spray gun, 1.0 nozzle. Adjusting this, easy to adjust. All I basically do, I just widely open this all the way through. Once it's already been open, that one's already open, I adjust it like this, press it all the way, and adjust it here. Once you see that this one, it will push the trigger, so this adjustment is already been set. Now there's a tension that it pushes. That's the adjustment for the air, and this the fluid. I basically open this all the way through counterclockwise, and now you can use this. It's up to you guys if you guys would like to open it all the way through using the fluid, but I basically open it all the way through, and I put 15 to 18 to 21 psi through this, because this one you can use this for 10 gallon air compressor. You don't have any problem with that. As what I said, I have two compressors that I use. I have 20 gallons and I have 10 gallons air compressor that I barely got it from Amazon. So if you guys keep watching my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I said, this is a $9 K3 spray gun. Chinese knockoff, you won't get wrong. Best buck for your money. For $9, yeah, from Amazon, the best air gun you can buy. May you guys have a wonderful day today. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. May God bless you all. Bye for now and God bless. Share, subscribe to my YouTube channel.